Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this potato starch face cream. This face cream helps absorb oil, control shine and minimize pores appearance. To get started, I'm going to be making use of my potato starch. I uploaded a video on how I made this potato starch on this channel, and I will drop the link to the potato starch below this video. If you've not watched that video, please click on the link so that you can watch it. Then after watching it, then you come back to make this potato starch face cream. So to get started, I have my potato starch measured out. Here I have 8 grams of potato starch. So I'm adding my potato starch in my beaker. Then after adding it, the next ingredient I'm going to be using is my aloe vera gel. You can use store-bought, and below this video I'm also going to drop a video on the aloe vera gel I used on this video. So I made that myself, so I'm going to drop the link so you can make your aloe vera gel and your potato starch at home without buying it from the store. So after adding for my aloe vera gel, I use 50 grams of aloe vera gel. And after adding it to my potato starch, I'm mixing it as you're seeing on the screen. And note, you have to be patient with this process. And after mixing it for a while, I noticed there are clumps on it, so I had to switch to my hand wicks, and that's what I use to achieve a smooth consistency. Just to let you know that regular use of those potato starch face cream can lead to smoother and softer skin texture. I've tried it and I've used it, and I have friends that have tried it as well. So at this point I'm adding, after mixing it, here is the consistency. The next I'm adding is my vitamin E oil. Here I use 1 gram of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, and that's why I'm using it for those potato face starch. So the next I'm adding here, is my oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a light oil, it doesn't clog pores, and that's why I chose grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice at this point. And guys, this potato face starch cream is very effective and it's easy to prepare. So at this point, this is the consistency I have. So if you're the kind of person that has dry skin, please add glycerin, 1 gram of glycerin, because glycerin is a humectant. It can help draw water from the atmosphere to your skin. So this is if you have dry skin, add 1 gram of glycerin to those potato face starch. So at this point, guys, my potato starch face cream is ready, and the next I'm transferring it to my sterilized container. And for sterilizing, for those of you that usually ask the question, how do I sterilize my container? You can use alcohol with a wet cloth and clean your container. And there are also tablets you can buy from the shops. You can use the tablet, put it in water and put your container in it, and it will also help sterilize it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.